Good afternoon. We're looking at the euro dollar, and as you can see from Tuesday, when we broke through that neckline, the market has continued to fall. Not that much oversold, I have to say, with the indicators holding at around 43%. Our RSI is down at 25%, well, 24.93. So there is still room to go on the downside, unless we break above that 55-day moving average that comes in today at 1743, which is 100 points away. But unless we do break up to that area, and that is also where the neckline is, the market will have no option but to continue to sell off. I've explained to you, I think in great depth this week, the topping head and shoulder pattern here that you've got, and the measured target from that pattern is 274 pips, which takes us down to 114.63. You can see that between the 61.8, the trend line, and the 70%, that's all coming in at around the 1490 to 1421 band. You've also got this high over here, and you can see that's coming in at 1495. This one is coming in at 1422. So they are opposed to the mathematical resist supports in the market. You also have chart support in the market. The support comes from prior resistance levels. So what for today? What do we expect today? Reversal Thursday. Now, I talk about Reversal Thursday quite a bit because of it seems to me that a lot of people want to close out their positions and get square for the weekend and only trade corporate business, because interbank closes at midday on a Friday, and it closes at midday on a Friday in the States as well. So they want to keep as much of a lid on the currencies on Friday, which is why you see position takers, if it's in their favour, tend to close out their positions. So as the market has been coming down all week, to see it bounce back today would not be surprising. We're going to obviously look to sell into any strength that we see today and tomorrow. So that's why you're going to see a bit of a retracement, I think, today. Bear in mind the trend is up, but you have that topping pattern, and once you have that topping pattern, you're talking about the short-term trend is up for currencies. The longer-term trend and the long-term trend is most definitely down for currencies, considering the euro has come from 160. So I'd wait to see what the States do when it opens, have a little look, see if you settle down, and I would suggest that you look strongly at the dollar index. The dollar index made the break yesterday above that 94.20 area that I was looking at. It's now 94.51. Watch that one, because the euro is extremely heavily weighted towards that dollar index, so it follows it a lot. So as the dollar index goes up, obviously the euro goes down, because it means dollar strength. We're seeing dollar strengthen across the board. Dollar CAD's up at 132, dollar Swiss up at 92.53. Dollar strong against gold. Dollar is seemingly looking to get stronger if we can sustain, preferably tomorrow, a break above that 94.20 area, which is good because the dollar index has been looking like it's been basing for most of the summer, and is looking now that it's just poked its head up above its little trend line that we drew on last week, and is going to continue to rise, thus making the currencies look extremely vulnerable. Good luck. I will catch you all on the desk in a bit.